What's good, guys? Mikkel Bennett here, aka The Credible, and I'm here with my lovely wife for the first time this year, Dominique Bennett. Super weird saying that now, but so she said that she wants to, start educating people on credit,
Mm-hmm.
start educating people on growing their businesses, scaling it, marketing, branding, all the things that we've been doing. But now she's just ready to share it with the world. So, welcome Dominique Bennett to the platform.
Hi, guys.
Over the next few weeks, we're going to be dropping more content just like this, talking about how to build your credit,
Mm.
how to repair your credit, how to start establishing business credit, and ultimately how to use that credit to grow your business.
Right.
So, talk to the people, Dom.
Hi, guys. My name is now Dominique Bennett, previously Dominique Garris.
Stamp.
Official now. I'm really excited to be here, and I'm really excited to be doing this podcast. So tonight, I wanted to talk to people about how to start off by getting business credit. So what's the first step when it comes to getting business credit, right? It's making sure that your personal credit is in check. So you can't establish business credit without having good credit, right?
So what about the people that be out there capping, talking about they can establish business credit and like not their personal credit?
I mean, there might be some things like if there's like soft pool type of places where you can go and
But
apply for credit.
they're gonna build and establish business credit.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no, it doesn't exist. You can't establish a proper foundation for business credit and start your business off right if your personal credit is effed.
Right.
It's not good business.
Okay. And what I think is a lot of people are really preying on the people who don't have a lot of knowledge,
Right.
and people who are ignorant to the situation, because somebody who's ignorant, right? They messed up their personal credit. Their personal credit is messed up. You have to already think about where their mindset is, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're thinking, damn, I can never get this fixed. So somebody comes along, hey, you can just establish business credit and forget your personal credit, not knowing or not telling you that that's going to cost you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars
Mm-hmm.
and take a really long time, which sometimes can be impossible for most people.
Mm-hmm.
It's damn near impossible, right? You have to be super disciplined and have a lot of money in order to go that route. And if you can go that route because you have a lot of money, you might as well fix your personal credit up so that you can be able to do both.
And if their credit is messed up, then their mindset probably is not where it needs to be.
That's the first step. So all of
first
the
step to everything.
All of the courses and everything that I have, trainings, everything, it won't matter if you don't have the right mindset. Guys,
Mm-hmm.
when I jumped up off the porch and said, you know what, I'm about to fix my credit, start establishing it so I can start living a better life,
Mm-hmm.
I made a decision, and I was literally so focused for like 6 months. Nobody could tell me anything.
Right.
So you got to start establishing that same type of focus and make that same type of commitment if you want those results, or it'll never happen.
Right. And some good ways to increase your mindset and just get your mind where it needs to be is there's so many people out there that create YouTube videos or have podcasts and things like that. Just people that are going to be able to pour knowledge into you and how you can start off every day the right way.
Right. And I think we should start incorporating that a little bit of more mindset, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because at the end of the day, people might want the results, but they'll never get the results if they don't have the mindset. It doesn't matter what I tell you.
So with mindset, right? Like, so if someone goes and buys your course, your DIY course, and they're like, okay, I'm ready to fix my credit, right? Let's say their mindset's not where it needs to be. They're going to follow the steps, whatever. They might not even start it, first of all. If their mindset isn't where it needs to be, they might not even open the course, right? So that could be somebody. Well, let's say they open it and they start to go through it and they're like, okay. Maybe they don't get the result right away. And they're like, this, like if their mindset isn't where it needs to be, they're going to be like, this is trash. This doesn't work. And that's not the case. They might just be missing something. But somebody with a proper mindset might be like, listen, I might just be missing a step, or I screwed up. Let me reach out to Mikhail or reach out in the Facebook group and get some more knowledge. I feel like people with good mindsets are constantly knowledge seeking.
Yes,
always. Like we're always looking. It's never, no, I can't do it. I might not be able to do it right this second, but that doesn't mean I can't go on to YouTube or reach out to somebody that knows how to do it and figure it out.
Right. That's part of building a network of different people.
Yeah.
If you pour out positive energy, you're going to attract positive people, and then you're going to have a network to be able to, dig around into when you have different questions. So it's very important. And then let me ask, so as far as what you said about, oh, this sucks or whatever, right? I fixed up your credit. I fixed up my credit. You saw me do it. Did I do anything that I'm not showing the people?
No.
Everything is in there, right? So it literally works. It works to this day. We know for a fact. And yeah, so just stay tuned. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button.
And make sure that you stay tuned, because I don't know if this is necessarily going to be the first episode of our podcast, but we have a new podcast coming out, and we're going to interview people that are entrepreneurs and people that are successful in their own right. And it's going to be different industries and people that you can relate to. And if you're an entrepreneur, you know, somebody, maybe you're new in this space, or maybe you've been doing this a long time, you're an OG. We want you on the show. So reach out to us and we'll get you scheduled so that we can, you know, it's nothing better than speaking with people that have that similar mindset and able to help people. That's what we want to do.
It's just really about being able to give people more connections, give people more insight into things that they might have not had insight into, because even where we are right now, there's still so many things that we want to learn.
So much growth.
So many people. I have people that I coach that by the end of me coaching, I'm like, all right, it's time for you to coach me.
Right.
I need to know what you got. Right. So it's just about sharing knowledge and being able to give back to everybody. And that's what we want to do.
Yep. Cool.
So, Mikkel,
Dominique,
Bennett, signing out.
All right.